In this video, I will show you how to simply chat with TikTok support to create a support ticket or fix a particular problem about TikTok account. Let me show you how. Go ahead and open up your TikTok app. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then proceed to this three slider. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down all the way down until you get to App Center. So next thing you want to do here is to check some of the frequent asked questions right here. But in some cases, if you cannot find anything that relates to the issue you have with your TikTok account, it is now left to you to chat with TikTok support to create a support ticket. For that, go ahead and click on chat with us. And it's going to take you right here. So right here, just make sure you dislike this message, and here you go. So what you need to do right here is to simply type in, "Can I talk to support?" Once you click on "Can I talk to support?" then connect to properly is your issue. Then you want to state whether it is a password or what have you. Just click on "No something else." So not something else, and it's going to provide you with a ticket to submit. So it's going to take you right here to submit a ticket. So what you have to do is to click on submit a ticket and give a details about whatever issue you have with your TikTok account. And they're going to get back to you within the 24 hours. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.